Hello everybody, today we've got a pack of Leaf from 1992 Series 1. Looking for some stars, maybe a Nolan Ryan, maybe Ozzie Smith, Dave Stewart. And the black card is Tony Fernandez. All right. Greg Harris, Brian Harper, Joey Girardi, Wilson Alvarez, Thomas Howard, Luis Sojo, Robin Ventura, Doug Drabeck, consistent pitcher for a very long time, Eric Hansen, we got Terry Pendleton, Willie Randolph, Mark Davis, and we're going to end up with Chuck McElroy. We got the Dave Stewart. That's not too bad. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.